This is the Fifine T669. It is the most sold Fifine microphone out there. I have had this microphone for over a year now, and I've loved it. I've used it for streaming. I've used it for recording some of these videos that you're watching right now. Since then, put it on the shelf and haven't used it. And then I had the idea, what if I test this microphone again 1 year later? Is it still good? Does it still sound good? This microphone sells around $59. Comes with a boom arm, pop filter, windscreen that goes on top of the microphone. But yeah, I thought, what if we tested this microphone again and see if it still holds up? Like, is it still a good microphone after 1 year? And all we're gonna do in this video is just test the audio after 1 year, raw audio, no filters, no edits, nothing. Before we get started, hit the like button. It means a lot to me and helps this video grow a lot. Let's go ahead and plug in this microphone. Well, what is going on, guys? You are listening to me through the Fifine T669 right now. Fifine. You're listening to me through the Fifine T669. We are recording right behind me on the computer. What the heck is happening to me? You're recording through we're recording through OBS Studio. The mic is set in Windows settings to 85% gain. On the knob itself right here, it's set to 50% gain, and the mic is about 5 to 6 inches away from me. But this is how it sounds. What do you guys think? First thoughts? Pause the video right here. Comment you like, you don't like, before you hear my opinion about this microphone after I listen to the test we're about to do. A quick test. I'm gonna just say a couple sentences and we'll listen to different things that it does. Please go down below and hit the like button. It helps a lot. But yeah, quick audio test. This is the Fifine test on the Fifine T669. This microphone came out about a few years ago. It still sells around $59. It's one of the best microphones out there that can be USB connected to your PC. A lot of streamers, a lot of content creators have bought it. I have reviewed it myself. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out there. This is how it sounds. Is it good? Is it bad? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to the audio that we just recorded, and I'll let you know in 2 seconds. Well, so yeah, I just listened to the audio, and dang, son, that microphone still sounds as sharp as day one. And that's just mind-blowing, to be honest. 1 year later, I've used this microphone a ton. I've spit on this microphone so much because I do that sometimes, and it still sounds really good. It's so crisp, it's clear, it doesn't pick up a lot of noise. That was zero noise filtering going on. That was just raw audio out of this microphone. Better than my shotgun. Sometimes I think I just use that when I record these videos. That's a great idea. That was the Fifine T669 1 year later. If you had any doubts about buying this microphone, buy it right now. I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can check it out. Hey, hit me up on these social media platforms right here. Follow me, and I'd love to connect with you guys, talk more to my audience, and just figure out what content I should make next. Bye-bye, and I'll see you next time.